Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I'm gonna explain 2 BHK house plan in 825 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. So this is our front side and this is our back side. Our back side and front side, the direction distance is 25 feet. And this is our right side, this is our left side. Our left side and right side, the direction distance is 33 feet. Overall our floor plan is 25 feet by 33 feet. So viewers, if we talk about square feet, it's around 825 square feet. So using this main entry, we will reach our house. So when we'll reach our house, first of all we will get this option, and you can understand here our drawing and dining combined. So you can understand our left side is our drawing option and our right side is our dining option. So here we have this direction 24 feet 2 inches and this direction basically 10 feet. So you can understand our drawing option this side also 10 feet. Also here our dining side also this direction is 10 feet. Overall these two sides this direction is equal. Overall our drawing and dining here is combined. So here we have 24 feet 2 inches by 10 feet. Right. So our dining room this side we have also one window. As usual our drawing room this side also we have another window. So after if you go up place, so you can understand here we have a little passage for go our up side. We can understand our left side we have a staircase. So viewers, this is basically our staircase, and our staircase this direction basically 11 feet. And if we talk about this direction, also our this direction 7 feet 8 inches and this direction is 11 feet. Overall our staircase is 11 feet by 7 feet 8 inches. You can understand the direction. So using this direction we will reach our second floor, right? And here we can understand our staircase right side we have another like our first bedroom. So if we want to go our this bedroom 1, so basically we have to use this door, and this is basically D1 door, and D1 door measurement basically 3 feet 4 inches. Basically we are using D1 door for our bedroom. So using this D1 door we will reach out this bedroom, and this is basically bedroom 1. So you can understand in our this bedroom 1 we have this direction 11 feet and this direction 11 feet. Overall bedroom 1 is 11 feet by 11 feet, right? Also we have another window. You can understand this is basically our bedroom window, right? Now we come back our this open passage. After if we go ahead, we can understand our right side also we have another D1 door. So using this D1 door we will reach basically this bedroom, and this is basically bedroom 2, and we have this direction 11 feet and this direction 11 feet. Overall our bedroom 2 is 11 feet by 11 feet. Also our bedroom 2 has 2 windows. One is here and this is our another window. So our bedroom 2 left side we have another window, another door basically, and this door is basically our D2 door, and D2 door basically 2 feet 6 inches. We are using D2 door basically our kitchen and our common bathroom and our attached toilet, and in this purpose basically we are using D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach out this toilet, and this is basically our toilet and bath combined. Here we can understand this basically our bathroom is attached with our this bedroom 2. So this our bathroom we can understand this direction 4 feet and this direction basically 6 feet. Overall we have 4 feet by 6 feet this bathroom that's attached with this bedroom 2. Again we come back our this bedroom 2, and we come back our this open space. Here this open space we can understand our left side also we have another D2 door. So using this D2 door we will reach our this bathroom, and this is basically our common bathroom. So here our common bathroom this direction is 5 feet 5 inches and this direction is 4 feet 7 inches. Overall we have 5 feet 5 inches by 4 feet 7 inches our common bathroom. Again we come back our this open space, and after we can understand here this plus we have also D2 door. So using these D2 door we will reach our this kitchen room, and this is basically our kitchen room, and we have this direction 8 feet 4 inch and this direction 6 feet. Overall our kitchen room is 8 feet 4 inch by 6 feet. Also we have one window in our kitchen room. This is basically our window. Okay viewers, now I will give you little overview, just more understanding. So when we will enter our house, first of all we will get here our drawing and dining. This is basically our drawing and dining, and if we go ahead, so we can understand our left side here we have like our staircase, and right side we have our bedroom 1, and up place we can understand here we have our bedroom 2, and we have also attached toilet with our bedroom 2, and this left side we have our common toilet, and upside we have our kitchen. Overall we have 2 bedroom, 1 drawing and dining combined, 1 staircase, and 2 toilet, 1 toilet basically combined with this bedroom, 1 toilet basically our common, and we have 1 kitchen. So overall this is our basically small plan, and it's around 825 square feet. Now we talk about cost, and viewers, cost definitely always variable because it depends your state, your location, your demand, which kind of material do you want to use, and it's different up to you. Though this average cost, we just keep on average cost, we calculated that, so we'll explain that kind of amount. So if we talk about cost, it will be like 13 lakhs rupees. So it will be variable definitely. I told you it's depend your like also your demand, with soil condition, with structure. So overall I think so average one cost 13 lakh will be enough for just telling average cost.